Hi, I'm Giuseppe. This is my presentation on my paper, and the title is "The Battle of the Next Generation Consoles." The Xbox Series X, it's the most powerful console on the market today, and it's capable of 4K and 8K gaming. The cost from retail stores is around $499 a piece. And then also the Xbox Series S is a little cheaper and a little cheaper made, but it's for like people to afford, that can't afford the X, they can get the S. That's selling for $299. Um, Overall, though, the Xbox Series X, in comparison to the previous systems, it's just better, faster, and more clear with their gaming and their watching movies or whatever. Um, and that's made by Microsoft. They make really good computers and really good software for about just about anything. And then also the Xbox Series X and S came with the backwards compatibility. And what that does is that allows you to play games from all the way back to the original Xbox, the first Xbox ever made. You can play games on the new Xbox from the old one. Then we have the PlayStation 5, launched November 12th in 2020. And the PlayStation 5, it's just really aesthetically pleasing. You can see in the picture the lights and all kind of other stuff. It looks better in like a darker setting. You can really see what, the lights and all of that. But it has that new controller beside it. It has a DualSense. They call it a DualSense controller, and there's so many features with the triggers on the controller, the vibration, all of that makes you feel like you're really in the game, which is really cool. And it's a little less powerful than the Xbox Series X, but it is a little faster. Like with their downloading and uploading speeds, a little faster than the Xbox Series X. And they also released an a game exclusive to PlayStation. It's by Marvel. It's the new Spider-Man game that also came out for the PlayStation as well. And the distribution is another thing I was wanted to talk about with both consoles, because these are some of the major distributors of the both systems: Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, Target, and then even Microsoft and Sony. Microsoft and Sony both put out a tweet saying that there was gonna be a shortage in the amount of systems that they can put out in the stores. And basically, when both of those systems came out, like their release date, they sold out in like an hour everywhere. People couldn't get them, and there just wasn't enough for people. And then there's also, even today, just recently, yesterday actually, Best Buy just came back up with some Xboxes and PlayStations, and they're not doing in-person sales of them. You have to order them online or through their app. And with that, the app crashed because there were so many people trying to get it within the hour that it came out. So there's still a lot of people that don't have it without it. And then there's people that, even on launch day, bought 4 or 5 of them, and now they're on other websites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, and people are selling them for double the price that they cost, trying to make money off of them. So some people are just gonna be without it for a while until, Microsoft and Sony can meet the demand. Their supply, they're supplying the major retailers or distributors, but there's just not enough consoles made for everybody. So, yep, that's really what my paper is about. And then there's my references as well. Thank you.